Presiden ke United Democratic Party ubah Matt Ba Lingdo ulawan menjob yang sasisian yak election MLA mentah ke kenti namai rang konstituensi dah kabah penliam yau kertang ke Kongres ubah bat scam renta tiang dah shispa sanpusan vote.
I certify that I have, on the second day of March 2023, declared Shri Matt Ba Lingdo of Manai, sponsored by United Democratic Party, to have been duly elected by the said constituency in the general election to be a member of the House of the Legislative Assembly, and that in token thereof, I have granted him this certificate of election.
Nagawin ako ang ay kulay para kinokresan ba eh para ya kesan ban tempoy sa katong jang yung job pat kulum lang bro iway dong gidong sosong jang kamay lang konsulsi na ay kulay kiru kunjo para kanila kanti suban ong baka kanila por nakarin jong ang barobor mga sabat sa score ya kajing pinsawa kajing kren kajing pinsungaw yung paiba nakaway ka po medyo perkal barobor bat persangkat bala ban penulong dia kita kajing kren bagi kajing don kam kata kalau nak no hanya song bani perkat ban baik next step dari song ke kila nakaway ka po rightly southly election layla hapan mat bonjak election jong kamay ng konsulsi bakin ng bakla ya kay ko bagi dia